Listen, what if I told you there's a business model where you create something once and it sells while you sleep, while you eat, while you're on vacation, even while you're watching this video right now? I'm talking about selling digital products on Etsy, and people are making anywhere from $500 to $50,000 a month doing exactly this. Some of them had zero design skills when they started. Zero. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to start your digital products business on Etsy, from picking the right product to your first sale to scaling it into a real income stream. And I'll also share one secret pricing strategy at the end of this video that most new sellers completely ignore. And it's the reason why some shops explode while others just disappear. So stay with me till the end. Let's get into it. First, why Etsy? Why digital products? Etsy has over 90 million active buyers, people already on the platform, credit card in hand, searching for things to buy. You don't need to build an audience. You don't need to run ads. The buyers are already there. Now, digital products are files, PDFs, templates, planners, fonts, printable art, Lightroom presets, resume templates, wedding invitations, anything someone can download instantly after purchase. Here's what makes this insane as a business model. You create the file once, you upload it, and Etsy delivers it automatically to every single customer who buys it. Forever. You never ship a package. You never touch inventory. Your profit margin? Almost 100% after Etsy's small fees. This is as close to a passive income business as it gets in the real world. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They just start making whatever they feel like making. That's a mistake. You need to sell what people are already searching for. Go to Etsy right now. Type in something like planner template or resume template or wall art printable. See those listings with 2,000, 5,000, even 20,000 sales? Those aren't lucky people. Those are smart people who validated demand before creating. Here are the highest selling digital product categories on Etsy right now. Planners and Notion templates, people obsessed with productivity will pay every time. Resume and cover letter templates, job market is rough and people need to stand out. Printable wall art, home decor, nursery art, motivational quotes, wedding stationery, invitations, save the dates, menus, business templates, social media kits, invoice templates, pitch decks, educational resources, homeschool worksheets, kids' activity sheets. Pick one niche. Don't try to sell everything at once. One niche, master it, then expand. Use a free tool called Everbee or Sale Samurai. Plug it into Etsy and it shows you exactly how many times a keyword is searched per month and how much competition there is. Find a product with high searches and low competition. That's your gold mine. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I can't design anything. Friend, neither could I when I started. That's why Canva exists. Canva is free. It's drag and drop, and it has thousands of templates you can customize and make your own. For more advanced work, like fonts, illustrations, or Photoshop templates, use Adobe Express or Creative Fabrica. Here's the process. Open Canva, search for the type of product you want to make, say weekly planner. Customize the colors, fonts, layout to make it unique, download it as a PDF or PNG. Done. That's your product. For Notion templates, build your template inside Notion, duplicate it, and sell the link with instructions. For Lightroom presets, use Lightroom Mobile, create the look, export the preset file. The key is quality over quantity at first. Make one product that looks so clean, so professional, that someone scrolling past it can't help but click. Spend real time on this. Use good mock-ups, flat lays, lifestyle images to show your product. Canva has mock-up templates too. Your thumbnail image is your storefront window. Make it beautiful. Go to Etsy.com, click Sell on Etsy. Setting up is free. You only pay a 20-cent listing fee per product and a small transaction fee when you make a sale. Your shop name? Keep it clean, memorable, and niche relevant. Something like Planner Haven or The Creative Desk. Check that it's available. Now, your listing. This is where most people get lazy and pay the price. Your title must include keywords people actually search. Don't just write pretty planner. Write Weekly Planner Printable PDF, Minimalist Daily Planner, A4 and letter size, instant download. See the difference? Your description. Tell them exactly what they get. File formats, sizes, how to use it, what software they need. Address every possible question so they buy with confidence. Tags. Etsy gives you 13 tags. Use all of them. Use the keywords from your Everbee research here. Pricing. Don't underprice yourself. $5 planners say, I have no confidence in my product. Price between $5 and $15 for most digital products. Some premium bundles can go $25 to $50. Now, you've listed your product. How do you get that first sale? First, Etsy SEO is your best friend. When your listing has the right keywords in the title, tags, and description, Etsy's search algorithm pushes your product to buyers. This is free traffic. Optimize every single listing. Second, Pinterest. This is the most underrated traffic source for Etsy sellers. Create a free Pinterest business account. Post beautiful pins of your product every single day. Link them straight to your Etsy listing. Pinterest content lives for months, sometimes years. One pin can drive traffic to your shop forever. Third, ask for reviews. After your first few sales, follow up with buyers through Etsy's messaging system. Politely ask them to leave a review. Reviews are social proof. The more you have, the more Etsy trusts your shop and pushes your listings higher. Fourth, bundle and upsell. If someone buys your weekly planner, offer them a monthly planner bundle at a discount. More value for them, more revenue for you. All right, I promised you this at the beginning, and here it is. The listers who go from $500 a month to $10,000 a month don't just sell products, they sell bundles and collections. Here's what that means. Instead of selling one resume template for $7, sell a complete job application bundle, resume, cover letter, reference page, thank you letter, all in one listing for $19. The perceived value explodes. The customer feels like they're getting a deal. Your revenue per transaction triples. And then they create new variations of their best sellers. Different colors, different sizes, different styles. One product idea becomes 10 listings. 10 listings means 10 chances to appear in Etsy search. 10 chances to get discovered. The shops with 1,000 plus sales don't have 1,000 plus products. They have 20 to 30 strategic listings that each serve a specific search intent and bundles that maximize every single transaction. That's the game. Now you know it. So, to bring it all together, pick a validated product in a high-demand niche, created beautifully using Canva or Adobe Express. Set up your Etsy shop with keyword-rich listings, drive traffic through Etsy SEO and Pinterest, and scale using bundles and collections. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you follow every step I just gave you consistently for 60 to 90 days, you will see sales, real income. The person who starts today is going to look back 6 months from now and be so glad they did. If this video gave you value, and I genuinely believe it did, please hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it helps this reach someone out there who really needs this information tonight. Subscribe to this channel because we go deep on real business strategies every single week. No fluff, no theory, just what actually works. And if you have a friend who's been complaining about money or looking for a side hustle, share this video with them. You might just change their life with one tap. I'll see you in the next one.